Hey, check it out. I'm trying out something new and fun. As you know, I love Uni-Posca pens, and these paint pens are the fine point, as I like in my art journals, but the difference in this one, as you can see, this set is glitter, and so I've never tried their glitter. So here is the Uni-Posca fine point glitter pens. Look at these lovely colors that come in this set. So I can't wait to give these a try out on my art journal and show you what the Uni-Posca glitter looks like. And I have another video on paint pens and tips and tricks for using them successfully. So I'll put a link in the description box below to that video if you want to see. Some people don't like paint pens, don't enjoy Posca pens, and I give you my tips and tricks because they are absolutely wonderful. I love them. But anyway, just like any other one, you're going to want to prime it. So with the lid on, I'm going to shake it up and get it started. See, it's white tip, so I'm going to get it started and then check out the glitter. I've never seen glitter paint with them. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is awesome. They are gorgeous. Look at, wow. The glitter effect of the paint in the glitter Posca is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. These are going to be a blast to play with in my art journals, and I'm so glad I got them. Look at the glitter. I love glitter and sparkle and bling, and this will be fun to do journaling with. So here's what the 8 colors look like when they're wet. This is what they look like, and I wanted to see what they look like dry, because sometimes glitter pens look awesome wet, they're real glittery, and then when they dry they're not so sparkly. But look at the shimmer on these gorgeous Pasca Shimmer glitter paint pens. I love it. They came in 8 colors, 2 colors of blue, a purple, a red, a pink, an orange, a yellow, and a green. Look how pretty. Oh, love them. So I just wanted to show that unveiling of Uni-Posca fine point glitter pens, and I'll put a link in the description box below for these where you can check them out. Now I just need to put them in my swatch book. I swatch all my art supplies out in a swatch book. Then I can see what they look like. So when I'm looking for something to use, I'll know what color it is when it's wet and dry. And I'll put a link in the description box below. I have another video that flips through and shows my swatch book, why I use it, how I use it. So maybe that'll inspire you to keep a swatch book, because I find it to be one of my most useful tools. So now I just need to swatch out my new product and put it in my book. So here they are swatched out in my swatch book, and there are the colors: yellow, orange, red, pink, rose, violet, green, light blue, and blue. And I would definitely give this product a thumbs up, because they are absolutely gorgeous. They're going to be awesome for doing borders in my art journals and lettering and going around images. They're gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So if you like that shimmered look and you love using paint pens, check these out because they're wonderful. Okay, I thought I would just show real quick using it on my art journal. I'm going to take the pen and go put a line of yellow glitter along the left side of my lettering. This is a page I did a while back, but I'm just adding this yellow glitter pen to it just for something added. Look at, oh, that looks so cool. I don't know if you can see it. Glitter, there you go. See the glitter line to just make that word pop off the page. And then I added some glitter lines in here, some glitter dots right here. It's very, the paint is very quick to dry. Let's do the red color on the word speak. Same thing, I'm going to go along the left side and just add a line of glitter. I just wanted to see what they would look like, what they would do in my art journal. Just kind of enhancing my lettering. Putting a highlight along that edge. Wow, I love it. I used the red along the word speak and the yellow along the word never, and look at it, just adds a sparkle when you turn it just right. See, you can see it, but look at how it makes those words just pop off the page. Very, very fun product. I like it a lot. And it dries super quick and doesn't smear. Look, no smearing. It dried really quickly. Look at, perfect. If you want your art journal pages to pop, get some Uni-Posca glitter pens. And I'm not paid by the company. These are just, I only recommend products that I actually use and actually love.